You know, some things you just have to just be realistic with yourself. I was in Oklahoma City for how long? Knocking on a year. Couldn't make nothing shake. I don't care what I did, I couldn't make nothing shake. I made my container shake, but as far as networking with my people, I couldn't make it shake, man. I've been in Georgia area a month. I've already formed a few networks. I can already see things going to another level. It is what it is, man. Some people just are not ready what you got to offer them. They might say they are, but the proof is in the pudding. Now I'm in a different situation and doors are opening, and I'm presenting the same thing I was presenting in Oklahoma City when I passed through there, leaving Feniks. Sometimes you have to just keep it moving until you find the right door for you to open. I had to stop through there, so I'm like, hey, while I'm here, let me see if I can network. It didn't work out. But I was able to build a pyramid there that no matter where I'm at, you're going to always know I did it there. A place where I couldn't network, but I still made something happen. And that's what you're going to have to do. Watch what I do in Georgia. And don't get me wrong when I say this. It's not going to just be me. Because I know this is not a sprint. It's more like a relay. I done did my part. Sometimes you have to do your part and pass the baton and let someone else take it to a different level. Let's see what levels we can get on. Hold on.